is there not to love about beautiful blue water, frothy foam, salty hair, and sand in everything? Well, join me today as we use acrylic paint and modeling paste to create a textured water abstract. Now, let's dive in. Welcome, SeaRoxxers. Well, we are going to give our 12 by 12 water abstract a little underpainting this time. We're going to start with some water-like colors, acrylic paints, of course, and a catalyst wedge. Our underpainting is dry, and now I'm going to take this concoction. All it is modeling paste and a little joint compound. I combined the two because I wanted a little stiffer medium to use, and I'm going to create just the water part of our water abstract. With the leftover paste, I added some water to thin it down so it was a little runny, and then I'm just going to flick that right onto the board to give it some added interest. Make sure you let this dry overnight before you go any further. The paste is all dry. I did give it a primer coat of some gesso, and now it's on to creating our beautiful blue water. Now, to create that water, I'm using some Liquitex acrylic inks, water, and some watered down acrylic paint. If you enjoyed today's video so far, please splash that like button and click the bell. You'll never miss a great video. Now let's work on our sky. Now I will break out the heat gun when I get a little impatient, but the key is probably to just dump some of that paint right off the board instead. So now I think I'm on to layer 3, possibly 3 or 4. Anyway, it's just trying to get a background that I like, get rid of some of that lavender and tone it down just a little bit. And if you haven't already, I invite you to subscribe to the channel because, you know, what have you got to lose? I was going for a more organic look on the sky, but I kept fighting with it, so I just broke out the blending brush. I'm going to soften the edges, add some depth, and then this should be ready to roll. Whew, finally, onto some details. We're going to use some pouring medium and mica powder and add some shimmer to our water. Don't forget your white foam. Or your splashes of water. We're going to bling it up with a little Posca marker in silver this time. And stick around because our reveal is next. Hey, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed yourself and perhaps you're either entertained or inspired to try something new. I invite you to join the SeaRoxx family. Like, subscribe, share with all your friends, salty or unsalted. You can follow me on my other social media platforms, although YouTube is where you can find me on a more regular basis. I also do have a website and an Etsy shop. Thanks for watching. Until next time, go beach or go home.